Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to look at how to personalize ChatGPT. So you can do this even on the free plan, like you can see that I am. So to get started, head over to the left side and click on your profile. So you might see personalization here and you can click on that if you do. If not, click settings and scroll down to personalization. So you can edit things like the style and tone of how ChatGPT responds to you. So I can ask for more professional answers, more friendly answers, or more candid answers. You can also ask for more warm or enthusiastic responses. You can also add in custom instructions. So it might be something like, when you answer a question, give me the answer and an analogy. Oh, didn't spell that right. So then we can scroll down and you can add in details about you. So what you want ChatGPT to call you, your occupation, and a bit more about you. This is helpful just so you don't always have to add in the same information again. And you've also got an advanced section down below with different things you can edit to your liking. So when you're happy with your personalizations, you click on Save. And that will be updated. Then let's test out a response from ChatGPT. I'm going to ask, what does a plumber do? So let's see the answer it comes with. So it's given me the answer, as you can see. It's also given me an analogy, so to help me understand a little bit better. So I hope you found that helpful. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.